So student, as you know, earlier we had already discussed about how can we separate the useful substances from any kinds of mixture. So we need to separate the useful substances from any types of mixtures. There are varieties of methods. Okay, earlier we had already discussed that the hand picking, threshing, winnowing, sieving, sedimentation, decantation and filtration, these all are having the multi methods to separate the useful substances. So one by one I am going to discuss about the what do you mean by this methods. Okay, hand picking is also a method to separate the useful substances. Like this method is used for separating slightly larger size. Slightly larger, it means a very less in size. Okay, slightly larger size impurities like small stones, husk, piece of dirt, these all are we are getting from rice or pulses or wheat, you can say. Okay, the quantity of such type of impurities are usually not very large, not having a much quantity. Okay, they are having very little much quantity in this we are getting. Okay, so by the name you can say that hand picking, it means you have to pick non-useful substances with the help of your hand. It is very convenient method to take the small pebble or dirt particles from any types of grain. So here is the example. Stone from grain is the most convenient process by the hand picking. Okay, so which one you have to remember? The stone from grain is the example of hand picking. Okay, later we will discuss about the another method. So student, in threshing we will discuss that what we mean by threshing method to separate the useful substances from any types of mixtures. So threshing, the process that is used to separate grain from stalks. As you know that in the field there are thousands number of stalks are lying over the field. Now you have to remove the particular grain from that stalk. So you need to use the threshing method. In this method you are going to beat in the stalks, by which you will get the grains like this. There is a stalk. Okay, so there is a multi numbers of wheat. Okay, when you are going to beat it, okay, beat it, then the seed will take out easily. So by this method, by threshing method, you can get the grain from stalks. Is it clear here? So students, threshing is done with the help of bullocks. Sometimes it can be held with the help of bullocks, sometimes it can be processed by the machines. In a very, when it is very large in quantity, then this process will be done by the machines. Okay, so the next topic will be your winnowing. So student, your next topic is your winnowing method. Winnowing is the method by which we can separate the useful as well as non-useful substances by this method. Okay, in this method what will happen? Let's see. It is used to separate heavier and lighter components of a mixtures by wind or blowing air. What you can know by this word wind or blowing air? It means we need to separate the useful or non-useful substances with the help of air. We need for this, we require fan for this. Okay, what will happen in this? Like just here is a stand. Okay, this is your fan, children. When the wind or air is blown, and you need this is your grain including the husk. Okay, husk. Okay, now the wind is blown by the help of fan. Okay, then the heavier particle of seed will collected here and the stack carried out by here. Is it clear? This fan is blowing air and a container which is having a seed along with the husk. Due to the heavier particle of seed, the seed is collected and make a heap. Okay, and the husk collected there. Okay, the husk particle are carried away by the wind, and the seed of grain, you can say that, grain separated and form a heap near the, okay, by this method. Okay, the separated husk is used for many purpose, as you know that it is also a food for the cattle. Okay, so this is the process of winnowing. Later we will discuss some another method of separation. Okay, thank you.